So we're sitting in a 2015 Toyota Highlander, and the center console sliding doors won't stay in place. That one will because of gravity. This one keeps falling down, and I looked at it and there's these little plastic tabs that pop up to hold the door from sliding down after it pops into place. So I'm going to show you how to, I already removed this one, to remove. I bought this little tool on Amazon for like $5 for a set. So you pry up underneath here and you hear that popping sound. Take your hand and you just kind of pull and wiggle it out of place. So there, it's out of place. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix the problem. See, these doors would not stay in place. They do now because I have my fix in place. So what I made was I made this little bracket out of a piece of banding that I took out of a dumpster. So a tin snips. I used a center punch to give it little dimples to hold it in place, because this door comes up and it's supposed to, see that? It's supposed to lock into place. And then the little spring action goes down and it opens. But because that plastic piece broke, it just falls down. So this slides in, sort of. It's hard to do one-handed. There we go. Slides in. Now, I got one on each side. See that, how it popped in? And then the same with this one. Now these pieces of molding, just line them back up and put them back into place. There, that opens. And that opens. There, better. Cool. So, 2015 Toyota Highlander. Center console. My fix for the doors. It's cheap and easy. If you're handy, that'll be a piece of cake.